Back on the boat. He says it's bad on idle. So let's put it here like this. Now we crank it. It's fine to start, but it's fine there. Goes to 900. 900 is good. But when we go back, you're gonna see it. It's not good. It's running too slow. In the end, it will, yeah, it's gonna die. More? Yep. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Lift it all the way up now.
All the way up now?
Yeah. That's good. Do you know when he changed the spark plugs?
No, I think you and I cleaned them. We cleaned them last year.
Yeah.
I think.
Well, let's take a look at it.
Yeah. Why would I do?
So, you want to do I can decide one else, so I can keep doing it. So now, all the spice plates, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Did you figure out the I have worked on it. What do you think? And I think I know now. So when I'm doing video, I can't put split screen. So if I don't have split screen, yeah. But I like to have more video idea. But I want to. So I'm going back to pictures. Yeah.
Okay. Now you put it down.
Okay.
And you start it up again.
Okay.
Yep, shut up. Okay. Slow it down. Idle now. That's too low. That's too low. If you have series, I think series is going to pay you 900 out there. Yeah, it's almost dying. No, don't touch that. Just take it into the neutral. I like it. So,
Last year we played with the carburetors.
yeah. So, go there and little bit push it up an RPM. This one is. Okay, yeah. Back, neutral. Now I need the Phillips screwdriver and adjustable wrench. Don't rush. Please don't rush. Where is it now? in there? What? Yeah, I think that's a good start. Good start. So now we need the cover.
The other way, yeah. The oil filter goes in the front.
Yeah. Start it up again. Let's try that.
Going down.
It's going down. Why?
Cover do something?
That's the question. Is the cover touching?
Yeah,
Try it again.
cover's down.
Yeah, that's much lower than it was.
She's going down, yep. She went right off.
Yeah. Interesting. That's interesting.
Yeah, something pinched.
Maybe that's our problem. Oh yeah.
You see
I
something?
can see what happened. Let's try it again to put it on. Let's be careful on this side.
Yeah.
How about that?
Okie dokie.
Yeah. Let's try that. Put it here. Okay, try now to start it up. Don't give it throttle, just start it. Give it throttle and back down to sounds good. 900-ish? Okay. That's a good sign. That's a step one. And now I need the rack. Up. So let's go.
Okay.
How about that? So what I want to do you to do,
Yeah.
and put in reverse, but not throttle. Reverse. Just.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Where are we going? Yeah, we're going low, but.
Below 750.
But it sounds fine.
Yeah, it's not stalling.
No? Okay, perfect. And then we just wait. And then let's go all the way forward. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
750.
Yeah, perfect.
On the
That's
nose.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go 32 miles. Perfect. sounds solid.
Yeah. Sounds like all three are running.
Yeah.
Before there was definitely
Yeah.
maybe it was hitting the back of the spark plug wire
Could be.
or something. But it definitely sounded like losing a cylinder.
Yeah.
But this is just over 1,000, so
Yeah.
that's acceptable.
Yeah. Put it in forward. Yeah.
So
You hear it's solid.
just over 750.
Yeah.
That's acceptable.
That's perfect. That's
I-
like it should be.
Because I've been, I had been stalling, going on these little survey runs, and I've
Yeah.
been constantly
That's not good.
doing these things.
You want to have it solid.
That would be nice. Yes.
Can I try?
Yeah, please.
You take this one.
Oh, yeah.
I take this one.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to put the back pressure.
Yeah.
Now I'm forward.
And it's still holding it. Yeah.
Yeah. You're not dying now.
That's a good thing. What was it? Just
So-
dirty plugs or bad connection?
I raised the RPM.
Yeah.
See, I'm reversed now.
Yeah.
And now I go straight forward.
Right.
I'm in forward now. And it's not stalling.
Right.
Yeah. You're a good man.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah. I need the first mate on the steering.
Okay. Yeah, I have the hat to prove it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's awesome.
My sister, my friend, John Joyce. And he goes, whoa, that Arnie, he's amazing. I sent it to Bill Ferry. He goes, that Arnie, he's
Oh, yeah.
amazing. That Arnie can do anything. Everybody got to see you in action.
Yeah.
Bill was a fan.
That's
He goes, yeah, I saw some of his videos for work. That guy can do anything. He goes, except stop smoking.
yeah.
I go, yeah, you're right.
He is right there.
And then you,
Use your back. Backwards. Go backwards. No. Backwards. Now it's not gonna stall, so it's fine. Well, I'm not gonna pull you. You have to use your. No. That's not allowed. Use this.
it's idling.